Hello everyone. So the Success Ladder has come up with another video, that is multiplication. And in this we'll be doing 3-digit by 1-digit numbers. So in the previous video we have covered multiplication by 1-digit and 1-digit numbers. And in the second video we have done multiplication of 2-digit by 1-digit numbers. So today we'll be looking how we can multiply 3-digit by 1-digit. So let's begin. So for example, let us consider this number 143 multiplied by 2. So 143 multiplied by 2. So here this is 3-digit number and this is 1-digit number. So let's see how we can multiply, and in this also we'll be using column method to multiply. Column method, it means we'll be arranging the digits in column and then we'll multiply. So 143 multiply by 2. Then we'll draw a line. So as you can see, I have arranged the digits in the column. So this is ones place, I'll be writing place above. This is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundred place. So I have arranged ones below the ones. So, and always whenever we multiply, we always start beginning from the last. That means from ones place. We always begin from here and not from this one. Okay. So 2 3s are. So for the multiplication, the tables are very much important. So we begin from this side. 2 3s are 6. So I'll be writing 6 there down below the ones column. Then coming to the tens. So then again I will multiply this 2 by this 4. So 2 4s are 8. And I'll be writing 8 down below the tens column. Then 2 1s are again 2. So I'll be writing it below 100 column. That means this is the product of multiplying 143 by 2. So here the steps are, we have multiplied all the 3 digits by the single number, by the single digit, that is 2. First I have multiplied this 2 by this 3. The answer is 6. Then after that I have multiplied this 2 by this 4. And the answer is 8. Then I have multiplied this 2 by 1. It means all the digits I am multiplying it by 2 only. Now let's come to the second one. Let us consider a number 407 multiplied by 3. So 407 multiplied by 3. So again we'll be using column method. So I'll be writing here 407. I'll be using multiplication symbol here, and 3 I'll write down the ones column. After that I'll be writing the places above that. So this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is 100 place. So I've written the places. Then again I will start multiplying from the ones column. So first I will multiply this 3 by this 7. So 3 7s are 21. So 3 7s are 21. That means 2 1. That means this is at ones column and this will be at tens column. So this I will write here down. Yes, and this 2 will be used as a carry. So 7 3s are 21, 2 I will be writing here as carry, and 1 I have written down. Then again I will multiply this 3 by the 0. So 3 zeros are 0, because anything we multiply by 0, the answer is 0 only. So 3 multiplied by 0 is 0, and we'll be adding this 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2, and I'll be writing below the tens column. Then at last 4, I'll multiply this 3 by this 4. So 3 4s are 12. So I'll be again writing it here below the hundreds column. So that means the product of 407 and 3 is 1221. So whenever there is a carry question or whenever there are 2 digits, so 1 digit write down and another digit do it as a carry to the next column. Now third question. I hope till here it is clear to you all. So let's come to the last one. 526 multiply by 7. Again, first step is to arrange the numbers in the correct column. So to 526, I'll be using multiplication symbol here down, and I'll be writing here 7, and I'll sketch a line. After that, I'll be writing the correct places. So ones, tens and 100. So till here I have done that. This is the question. So I have arranged it in the column, and I have written here above all the correct places like ones, tens and 100. And we always start multiplying from the ones column. So let's multiply. So first I will multiply 7 by 6. So 7 6s are 42. So again 4 2 42, and this is at ones place, this is at tens place. So that means this 2 I'll be writing here down at ones place, and this I'll be using because this is at tens place, so I'll be writing it as carry, and I'll be writing this here at top. So this 4 I have used it as a carry. Now this I have done. Now I will multiply this 7 by this 2. So 7 2s are 14. And we have to add this 4 which is as a carry. So 14 plus 4 is 18. Again the answer is 18. So again this will I'll write here down, and this one I will be using it as a carry like this. So is it clear? 7 2s are 14 plus 4 is 18. So here it is 2-digit number again. So this I have written down, and this I have used as a carry here. Now 7 5s are 35, and plus 1, 35 plus 1 is 36, and this I have written down here. That means product of multiplying 526 by 7 is equals to 3682. So here we have done 3 questions here. This one was without carry. This one only the carry was on tens, and in this question the carry was on tens also, and the carry is in 100 place also. So we have covered all 3 questions like this. So I hope this is clear to you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.